Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your smartwatch to your iPhone using the HRY Fine app, no matter the model. The first thing I recommend for this tutorial to work correctly is to make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Also, if you already have the app installed and have tried to use it before, uninstall it and reinstall it along with me in this tutorial. Now, let's get started. 1. The first thing we're going to do is search for the app in the App Store and download it. 2. Once the app is installed, open it and accept all the permissions it asks for. Do it exactly as I show you in the video, starting with location access, Bluetooth permission, and the activity tracking permission, which in my case, I will choose Do Not Track. You also need to accept the permission that allows notifications to be sent to your smartwatch. 3. Finally, a registration screen will appear. Here, you need to accept the terms and conditions. You can sign in using your email address, or you can log in without entering any personal information by selecting the yellow option at the top of the screen. After that, the app will automatically create a username and password. I recommend taking a screenshot so you can save this information, then tap Confirm. 4. Next, the app will ask you to set up your personal data. In my case, I'll leave everything as it is and tap Continue. 5. Go to the Me section, select Search Device, and connect your smartwatch. If your smartwatch does not appear in the list, you can try two things. First, go to your watch settings and look for an option, such as Factory Reset, Reset, or Restart, then try searching again. 6. If the watch still doesn't appear in the device list, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and check if the watch is already connected. If it is, disconnect it, go back to the app, and start the search again. After connecting, you will see a Bluetooth pairing permission that you must accept, followed by a notification permission, so your watch can receive notifications. Make sure to accept both. 7. Once the watch is connected, go to Device Settings, then Message Notifications, and choose which apps you want to enable. By default, all apps are enabled. Tap Confirm to save the changes. 8. Go back to the main screen, select Watch Face, then choose Custom Watch Face. Tap Select, choose Custom Watch Face, pick a photo from your gallery, and then tap Confirm, Save, and Apply. Wait for it to load. I also recommend making sure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off on your iPhone, as this can prevent notifications from reaching your smartwatch. After completing all these steps, your smartwatch will be fully set up on your iPhone, with notifications, calls, and messages working correctly. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.